Hey, hi, my name is Raguraj, and today I'm going to review one of my favorite book, which is Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson. If you are a person who wanted to read books from a very long time but never happened to start that habit of reading, if you are a person who want your kid to start building that habit of reading books but which is not happening, this is the first book that you have to start with, because this book is so tiny and the story is so amazing that you will fall in love with this book and you will start reading more such books. This is one of my favorite books. And in fact, this book also helps you to solve your problems with ease, because we face problems because we never change. Why I say this is my favorite book, because it is very tiny, less than 100 pages. You can finish it in just an hour. Not just that, I even happened to give this book to my niece, who was 7 year old then, to read this book, and she finished reading it. She even remembers the story even today. The only difference that a kid or a child reading this book and you reading this book is there are a lot of insights that you can capture from this book, but they will just read it like a story. Not just that, reading books is one of the by far best habit that you can initiate your kid to start with. So, that being said, this book was written in the year 1998 and it's been 22 years, and this book is more relevant today than ever because of the fast changing world. We are living in a fast paced world that changes are so dynamic that even the experts do not know what's going to happen in the future. How is going to be the new world? Okay, so we have to adapt change, we have to anticipate change, adapt to the change, enjoy the change, and we have to change again and again on a continuous basis. So if you want to love change, this book will allow you to create that mindset of loving change and creating the mindset of adopting to the new changes that's happening around us. This book is written for all ages, irrespective of your profession, irrespective of your age, whatever you are doing. If you are a student, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a corporate professional, or if you are a homemaker, whatever you are doing, this book is for everyone, irrespective of your age and profession. And also, this book allowed me to think out of box, and I realized that I was lagging a decade than where the current world is moving towards. So this will allow you to fasten your seatbelt to adopt changes very quickly. The story of this book is there are four people, okay, two mice and two little people who are trapped in a maze, okay, and they have a cheese in that maze. They find that cheese and they are very comfortable having the cheese in that maze in a station called C. Within a big maze, they are in a station called C, station C, and this cheese represents the things that you need in your life. It could be like your job, your business, what you are aspiring, your relationship, and the maze is where you find out what you need in your life. And one day the cheese disappears. The two mice will go after looking for new cheese in some other stations, but these two little people sit there, they adopt everything, all the surroundings according to what they want, because they were so comfortable sitting there and they never wanted to move. They complain telling that someone has moved their cheese. Thus goes the title, Who Moved My Cheese, not realizing that cheese has been eaten by them, or the changes has happened that they have to change for the situation. Okay, this is the story, which is very beautifully written, not like how I said. It's very beautifully written, and you will really love reading the story, and also you will start reading more such books. I absolutely recommend this book to everyone, irrespective of your profession, whether you are a student, whether you're a working profession, entrepreneur, homemaker, or athlete, whatever. Irrespective of whatever you are doing, this book is a must read for everyone. There are two takeaways for me from this book. The old belief will not get you new cheese, means the old belief that you have will not get you whatever you want now, and if you don't change, you will become extinct. Okay, I hope to give more such reviews for you guys in the coming videos. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please press that bell icon below. If there is any book recommendations that you want to recommend that I have to read, that is a must read for everyone, or if it is for me, please recommend that in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments, and I would love to read more such books. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.